We are pleased to show you the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.